My name is Kenny Luthi. I'm the general manager of Suburban Furniture. I'm also one of the owners. And I have been with the company for, it's coming up on 30 years now. Suburban Furniture has been around since the late 1940s. So we're over 75 years old. And it had not been Suburban Furniture for a while when my parents first opened the store here. And then with all the customers that were coming in asking, is this Suburban, is this Suburban? They finally went, you know what, let's just call it Suburban Furniture again. And that's how it got resurrected.
What are some of the core values of Suburban?
Number one core value for us is being solutions oriented. We understand that customers come in, they have a very, very specific need. And our customers, what they've told us is they don't want things exactly as they see it. Oftentimes they want to change it and make it their own. Okay, so we are very solutions oriented in that we can change things and solve any problem that they might come up with. Number two is being dependable, reliable, and committed. We know that our consumers count on us. These doors have to open every single day, so everybody has to be dependable, reliable, and committed. And finally, number three is guest experience above all else. The members of the Roxbury community and the surrounding communities and counties, Morris, Sussex, Warren, they've trusted us over the years, and they've said, hey, we choose you. We want to give you our money. So it's important that we give them the best experience possible, and I think we do a really good job at it.
Do you feel like that was one of the smaller reasons why you felt it was a good partnership with STORIS? Just the fact that they're a family-owned business, and it has a lot of similarities in terms of how the business is run as Suburban is.
Well, sure. First of all, the software is not something that you just buy off of a shelf out of the box, right? So Suburban Furniture is also about all about customization. That's why our customers come to us, to solve problems, okay, to be good at what we're doing, to be dependable and reliable and give them a really great experience. We felt when we met with STORIS the first time, we got that same vibe. So that was important as well.
How has Suburban Furniture evolved over the years to adapt to the changes in the home furnishings industries? Because there's been a lot of changes over the years.
Obviously, styles change, so we're constantly seeing what styles are fresh and trending. We also take feedback from our consumers. We have a team of design consultants here. They have their finger on the pulse of style. So I would say that's, our evolution in style has been a big part of our progression, and the customers appreciate it because they can come in every 6 months and see something brand new.
How has the role of technology impacted Suburban over the years?
So because we're so special order driven, there's a lot of detail that's involved. We are currently in the process of transforming over into a tablet-based system where all of our salespeople and our design consultants, they will be able to stay with the customer and record all the wish lists of the consumer. And then if the consumer decides to buy, it's all in the system already. And so we use a tablet-based system from STORIS, and the product's called Next Gen. And some of our salespeople are loving it so far, and so are our customers.
Tell us more about your experience with STORIS and how that all began.
We've been with STORIS for 5 years. It started because we needed a software company that could grow with us. A software company that certainly was going to be able to deal with mobile POS. And I knew that STORIS was working very hard to push this out. In terms of implementation, when we first got on board with STORIS, there was a whole team. There was a point person, but there was a whole team that helped us get through that. And each one of the departments here at Suburban got to work with a specialist that knew exactly what they needed. The magic happened when we started barcoding all of our price tags. And then when we have collections and there's lots of pieces, we put barcodes in books that have every single piece in that collection. That has been a game changer for us. When you have to look up every single item and every single SKU, it's a little bit time consuming. So now that all they have to do is scan the barcode with their tablet, and it just pops the item right up, whether they're looking up inventory or adding it to a shopping cart. It makes it very, very easy. Anybody who's implementing mobile POS Next Gen with STORIS, you got to go with barcodes. It's been a game changer for us.
Thank you so much for your time. This was just a wonderful experience to sit and talk with you. It's lovely to visit Suburban, and we appreciate your time.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, and we were happy to welcome you in our home. So
thank you so much.
Yeah.